Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can use line weight and cross contour lines to help add some dimension to your contour still lifes. I went ahead and redrew my still life after my warm-ups, and I have some very light loose lines. They're not too loose, they're pretty much where I want them to be. A very quick kind of outline of the shapes, and now I'm going in with my very soft 4B pencil. I'm going to darken some of the lines to indicate shadows. I'm trying to take note of where my light source is, which is pretty much above, right above, pointing towards the objects. So there's some strong shadows being cast. And I'm just going to push some pressure down on my soft pencil, and it's going to establish some nice dark lines. Other areas that there's some pretty significant shadows under these caps. I need my lighter pencil for this outline. Well, actually I'm going to go back to this soft pencil because there is a shadow being cast just behind it. Along this line here. I'm going to go over it a couple times to give it a real dark, thicker feel. The base of my sticky note pedestal, the base of the ink jar, and the cap. These lines could be pretty dark. They're dark in color and they have some shadows on them. This has a shadow, but not quite as dark as the base, and that's sort of a similar scenario here. The other pencil I have today is an H. It's pretty hard, and I'm going to use that to redefine some of these more highlighted areas. Still need some lines there, but the light is more directly hitting them. Definitely a light shining pretty brightly up here. I'm going to switch back to my darker pencil for this because there's definitely a shadow right there. I found another spot with a shadow, the base of the cap here. And then this side. All right. My H is quite hard. I'm so much more used to working with soft pencils. It's just my preference, but as beginners and people learning, you need to experiment with all the different materials, and then you decide what's best for you and what works best for you. I actually, after years